is Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to spend 1 million coins on makeup in TUTULAND. So we are going to see if we can get some special makeup. I am so excited. Also, Miss Princess May is so mad with me for trying to get a kitty fly. She actually demanded that I get a petal pup. So eventually we will be trying to get a petal pup. So here is the garden makeup bag, and each makeup is 5,000 coins. We're gonna get 10 bags and see if we can get a rare makeup. Let's go. Da 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 da. So I got a orange makeup, watermelon, oh, banana, oh, strawberry makeup, grape makeup, grape makeup, grape makeup, grape makeup, and that's it. The goal is to try to get the ultra rare, which is the rose makeup, which is a 0.1% chance, and the lily makeup, which is a 0.5% chance. You guys, I'm really worried. So I know I've never seen anyone with these makeups either. So if we get it, we'll be special. So we got orange, banana, strawberry, grape. Oh no, you guys, we may not be able to get it. It's not giving. We're going to get it. Oh, and we're already like not even but 100,000 and I'm talking about we're not going to get it. I need to stay positive. So orange. Okay, orange. Oh, great. We got a cornflower. I think I already had a cornflower, but if we get 10 cornflower, we can possibly get a twinkly. The glitter garden makeup is cute though. So orange, watermelon, banana, strawberry, grape, and a sunflower makeup. Actually, you know which one we should hope for? The rose makeup, because I know it's a 0.11111% chance that we'll get the makeup, but I really want it because I've never seen anyone with it. So I'm like, what does it look like? Do we know? We need to know what it looks like. Da 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 da. Oh, I'm so nervous. Please, 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 please. Oh, okay. So orange, watermelon, watermelon, banana, and a strawberry and a sunflower. You guys, we may be getting a sunflower twinkly at this point. I'm actually super excited at the same time. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Okay, so there's orange, you're glad. Grape and azalea makeup. So the azalea makeup is a 2% chance. I have a lot of those so far, so we look like we'll be getting a twinkly. Side note, do you guys feel like TUTULAND needs like more makeup? I'm just curious because some of our faces be looking alike and y'all be in the chat talking about you stole my outfit. I'm like, girl, it's not enough to go around. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we got orange, watermelon, banana, grape, and sunflower, and the azalea makeup. They really like giving out that orange makeup. It's I don't know why. It's not that popping to be trying to give it to me. Oh, she pushed me out the way, didn't she? Okay, let's try again. Oh, I ran out of closet space. Okay, so let me buy some closet space. Perfect. Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. We are almost at like 500,000 coins and I still haven't got any rare makeup. I mean, I've gotten rare makeup, but like the Ultra 3, like the big 3, which is the Delilah, or is it Dahlia? The Lily makeup and the Rose makeup. Why is it so hard to get those 3? Why? Oh, I didn't even see what I had. Oh, you guys, I forgot to show you. My bad. If it's in the closet, you never know. Let's do this again, you guys. I'm so nervous. Okay, what do we get? Orange. They are really like showing out with the orange makeup, you guys. And banana. Okay. What do we get? Okay, orange, watermelon, banana. Y'all really gonna give me all this banana, strawberry, and sunflower, and azalea? Oh, please give me rose. Okay, orange, watermelon, banana, sunflower. Oh, they're not gonna give us the rose makeup. Let's see, orange. Really, y'all see how skimpy they not on these orange makeups that are not that popping? If we can't get the rose. I will be content with the Dahlia makeup and the Lily makeup because the Dahlia makeup is a 0.10% chance, okay? So hypothetically, if you think about that in your, why is she pushing me? These girls, I keep telling you guys that they are very ruthlessly competitive in TUTULAND, and when they see Miss Princess May, they are ready to hop on me and just like attack me, okay? Miss Princess May, you're gonna have to get your claws out, girl. I'm so nervous. I am so nervous. Okay, orange, 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 watermelon, 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 banana, banana. Oh, and azalea. They're really giving out the azalea today, eh? Please, why can't I get like the other three? Why? If you just give me Dahlia, I'll be happy by the end of this. Let's try one more time. Well, we got a lot of times, but da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's see. Orange, I'm really tired of looking at this orange makeup, aren't y'all, at this point? I mean, banana, banana, strawberry, sunflower, and azalea. What is it? How do you get these three makeups? I'm so curious. Like, why can't they give it to me? Give me the makeup. Okay. Orange, 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 watermelon, watermelon. Oh, banana, banana. Oh, orange makeup twinkly. I could go to Tallulah, all the orange makeup twinklies you gave me. What? They tried to make it seem like, oh my God, you are about to get an orange makeup twinkly. Like I had like 50 of them in my closet right now. I have to buy more closet space. Are you serious? Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh! Okay, orange makeup, orange makeup, orange makeup, orange makeup, banana, strawberry, strawberry, grape, grape, grape. Orange, orange. I cannot believe all this orange makeup they're giving me. And they have the audacity to give me a twinkly and the banana the last one. I can't. Oh, Tallulah, my bad. I'm just climbing on you today, girl. I'm kind of excited and irritated at the same time. So let's look at the azalea makeup twinkly and see what it looks like. Okay, are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Let's see. It's so pretty. It's blue. You could tell a lot of detail went into this makeup. It is really beautiful. Okay, so let's look at the sunflower makeup. This is the sunflower one. Do you guys see how cute this is? This is really cute. You know what this would be cute with? The outfit from the jungle, like the cat outfit. Do I have the grape? Let me make sure I don't know if I have a grape twinkly, but let's see. Oh, the grape twinkly is pretty. I think I have that twinkly. What do we get? What do we get? Okay, so orange, well, we already knew that. Watermelon, 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 and grape. Oh, this is giving depressed. Oh, you guys, I didn't realize I'm on my last 200,000 coins. And we only got one azalea twinkly and a lot of orange and a grape and another. We got another rare daisy makeup at 1% chance. So let's look at my closet before I spend the rest of my money, because I think we've spent 1 million coins so far. So I'm gonna spend my last 100,000 coins, and this would be it, because you know I got a farm from Miss Princess May. She tried to claw me and scratch me so I could farm for her to get a petal pup. So I have to be doing a lot of farming soon, and I have to save at least some of this money. Look how skimpy they are on the daisies. They only gave us 3. Look at this though. Oh, this is kind of cute, isn't it? I actually have a daisy costume, so I mean, I'll worry about this later, but this is the daisy makeup. It's giving like the orange makeup. Like if we put the orange makeup on, it looks exactly like that a little bit, doesn't it? Oh no, oh no, oh no, no orange, oh no. Girl, can you imagine that orange makeup? You know, when you first hit TUTULAND, it be popping, but then when you become a nun noob in TUTULAND, you like, ooh, that orange makeup look rough. Okay, you guys, let's do this again. My last 100,000. Oh, let's do this. Oh, I'm so nervous. We're not gonna get it. I I told you I should have been positive in the beginning, but it's TUTULAND. Y'all know how they do us. 10. Oh, a grape. Why? Our last 50,000. Oh, no. What do we get? What do we get? Okay, so let's see. Oh, orange and another grape. You know what? One more, and then I can't because I have to farm for Miss Princess May. She is gonna claw me. One more. Oh, please. Oh, we got a sunflower. Why? We spent 1,100,000 coins and we got nothing. We got something, but y'all know what I mean. We got the 2% Azalea Twinkly, which is kind of rare compared to the sunflower. Oh, this garden makeup bag is so difficult to tackle. It's like one of the most difficult bags at TUTULAND. So let's look in the closet and see what they were skimpy on. So the Azalea makeup, very skimpy. Honestly, I have been trying to collect the Azalea makeup, so I had enough. So that's why I was fortunate to get it. Miss Princess May, don't claw me for spending the money. I promise I'm about to farm for you. I just wanted to see if I could get the rose makeup or at least the lily. Oh, with that being said, kitties, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Look at me in my orange makeup looking busted. Shout out to all the noobs with the orange makeup on. I'm not hating on you. I love y'all. With that being said, kitties, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.